How to convert the PHP website into Laravel project. So converting a plain PHP website into Laravel involves migrating your existing code and structure into the Laravel framework. So here's what you need to do. So first, set up your Laravel project. So install Laravel using Composer, create a new project, and then configure your environment, like the database settings. Then you want to organize the existing PHP code. So for feature audit, identify which parts of your existing code are compatible with Laravel and which need to be restructured or rewritten. And for the support logic, you need to move your PHP code into Laravel's structure. This includes the views, the controllers, the models, and the assets. So for the views, you have the HTML on the front end and the resources directory. Then for the controllers, you'll need the HTTP controllers to handle the user requests and logic. And for the models, you need the models to interact with your database. And for the assets, you need to move your CSS, JavaScript, and images into the public directory. And for database migration, you can use Laravel Migration System. Now for implementing routing, it defines routes and consider using pretty URL for cleaner, more organized structure. Then you want to migrate other functionalities. So you need to do session handling, form handling, authentications. And then lastly, you want to do some testing and deployment. So thoroughly test your Laravel project to ensure all functionalities work as expected. And then deploy your Laravel application to a web server.